Sometimes things don't go as planned, be that due to user error or potentially a new bug. Here are a list of things that you can use as reference when planning a new project or troubleshooting issues in MudShark. Take note of the project summary window when calculating. By checking the range between your minimum and maximum altitudes, you can quickly check for incorrect data. If the values do seem wrong, another possible check is to rotate your takeoff viewport to the side, then click the Zoom Fit button. With the Select tool active, draw a box around the whole screen and check for outlying spots or contours. Then adjust or delete any you find to solve the problem. It's best practice to avoid crossing your contours, as it can lead to strange results or even errors in certain situations. By clicking on Check Contours, MudShark will search for any instances of overlapping for you. After analysing your site, it will highlight any offending contours in red. You can then correct these contours by using the Select and Edit functionality, as you would any other boundary. The Split Line tool can also be very helpful when cleaning up this messy data. On the topic of avoiding overlaps, structure boundaries can also run into issues when not aligned properly, especially when there's many separate structures being placed close together. When placing structure boundaries next to each other, hold Shift to snap one's points to the others. This will guarantee a clean edge, giving you the best results and avoiding any issues. Keep these concepts in mind when planning your next MudShark project to give you the highest chance of success. If you ever encounter an issue you can't solve, be sure to get in touch with your region support team from our website, www.brightboxsoftware.com.